Hey, how's it going? Just gonna share my little quick practice here. Got to make do with what you got sometimes. So I got my bag set up here in the back of my car, and I'm gonna shoot from this garage into the back of my car. And I would shoot into the garage, but I don't want to put any accidental holes in my friend's wall, which I'm pretty confident wouldn't happen, but you never know. I don't want to do any drywall work while I'm visiting. But anyway, so that's the deal. I got about the easy like 10 yards here. Typically, if I got a short distance, 7 yards is plenty because most of my reps come at 20 yards. But 7 is pretty much when you shoot from 7, it's the same as shooting from 20. As far as accuracy goes, there's no difference. Wherever you're hitting at 7, you're going to hit at 20. So 7 yards is plenty of space to get some good reps in and focus on your mechanics. So I'm going to have at it. I don't have another camera or maybe record it and add it to this. If not, thanks for checking it out. Bye-bye. So all that ruckus you hear is the, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a golf cart parade. Everybody's all decorated for the 4th of July, enjoying their time. So gonna get some more reps in here and just want to share a little bit with you guys. Hope you have an awesome day and a great 4th. Bye-bye. No, there's a lot of golf carts. I feel like everybody has a golf cart here except us.